Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually use what we call VTPASS to actually subscribe to your TV, pay your electricity bill. But one of the unique thing about this VTPASS is that even when the Nigeria electricity payment aspect for you to recharge your meter is actually done, sometimes you actually use a Moniepoint, OPay, PayPay, and then you'll be having failure. VTPASS is one of the fastest way that can easily use and then enable you to bypass and then get your meter recharged even in the midst of when the network is very bad. So sometimes it's very good and you actually like it. So this information is for those set of people that will actually be using VTPASS to subscribe to the electricity bill in one of the fastest way. So first thing first, I'm going to drop one of the link on the bio for you to actually register with this app, and then after that you have to create your account. It's very easy. On the mobile interface you actually see where to sign up and then create your account, and then you can actually go to your Play Store or iOS to actually download the app. So here we actually go. First thing first, once you download the app, you actually come across this interface. So for instance, let's assume that you want to pay your electricity bill. So you come down to this point, you click on pay electricity bill. It's very important, so let's click on it. Now here is the download box where you see different categories. We have Ikeja electricity payments, and then we have Port Harcourt. Okay, so let me actually use Port Harcourt. So here we have Port Harcourt's electricity. So the next thing here is that you click on it, and then you come down to this point here. You input in your meter number, and then you come down to this point where we have this meter type. You see prepay, and then you actually come here, you put your phone number, and then you actually put your email, and then inserting the amount. Okay, so here we go. So I'll come down here, let me input in my meter number. Okay, here is my meter number. A lot of people in my place, they will be asking, how do you actually recharge your meter? And people are having network failure. Just imagine you have this kind of network issue with PHED in the midnight, and you guys actually need lights. That's when you know that. Okay, so this is actually prepay. So I will just come here, put my phone number. Okay, and then here is my email, and then let's assume that I want to charge 1,000, and then you come down to this point, and then you click on continue. Okay, very important. So you allow it to load, and then this point will actually display. This is a customer A, that is my name, this is the address. Okay, and then this is my customer account ID. Okay, so you come down to this point, then you click on continue. Okay, so the next thing here is just for you to actually go through the name, your meter name. Like I said, my meter name is A, address, the rest of it, the transaction ID, everything is actually displaying here. And then the next thing that you have to do here is to come down to this point, and then you click on pay. Okay, so let's do that. Now this is one of the major points. A lot of people we have pay with wallets. So if you have money in your wallet, which is the app, you can actually pay through the wallet. You can pay through your card. Okay, and then you can pay with bank transfer. Okay, for security purposes, you can actually pay with bank transfer. Okay, you can just come here, then you choose this particular one, pay with bank transfer. Okay, so let's click on it. So let's wait for it to load while it's coming up. Like I said, it's one of the fastest way to recharge your meter. So the next thing that you have to do here, you come down to this point where we have pay with transfer. Okay, you click on pay with transfer. You click on it. And then the next thing that we have to do here, you can equally change the method of payments, but it's very important. When you pay that, they will actually display the account number that you can easily transfer money into. And then remember they are going to add, if you want to recharge 1,000, they are going to add 100 naira as their charge. Okay, so you have to pay with that. So it's very important. And then they will display the account number. Just transfer the money. You can transfer the money from your Moniepoint, from any other of your accounts, into the account number that is being displayed by the app. And then once you are done that, automatically once you transfer the money, the interface will start loading, and then it will actually pick it up, and then you're good to go. They will display your token, and then you just go ahead. So if this video is actually a help to you, you can just give me a thumbnail, give me some likes, you have to subscribe to this to be getting other more updates, to educate you more. All right guys, see you later.